Shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. So mula kay Dionela, ang title ay Oxyhina. So oxyno, oxygen sa English kung di ako nagkakamali, no? So simple version ito, 3 chords version ang ating ipi-play, ituturo 3 chords version lang at syempre may strumming pattern. So let's go na, start tayo kaagad. Ito ang mga chords na ginamit natin, 3 chords lang, simple version na ito. E. At kung lahat ay nawalan. So simple E ang first chord, E. And the second chord ay isang G sharp minor, 4th fret, 4th. Okay, 4th fret yan, 4th. And then third chord ay isang sa second fret, isang F sharp. So sa second verse, kung dito yung nagkakaroon, mayroong note ng E flat minor, pero eto nga simple version lang, 3 chords lang ginamit natin. E, then G sharp minor, 4th, and then F sharp. And the string pattern ay ganito: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So sa timing, kayo na bahala mag-timing, no, kasi merong mga part na medyo mahirap i-timing. Yun nga, kayo na bahala mag-timing. So play natin na. Kung ito na down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So timing lang, timing. Kayo na bahala mag-timing. Yung part na kung lahat ay mawala na, down, down, up, down, up, down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Timing lang guys, simple version of 3 chords, E minor, F sharp. Hanggang dito na tutorial, 3 chords version lang ito, madali lang i-play. Buong kanta, kaya na bala mag-timing, hanggang dito man tutorial. Bye.